Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Welcome, little artists. Wiggle your fingers and imagine a blank page. Today, one happy line at a time, a fun drawing adventure begins. Look! A soft, wavy square appears like a fluffy sponge. Its funny edges wiggle gently, and our cheerful friend is ready for a face. Two big circles pop in for curious eyes. Then a tiny nose appears in the middle. Oh my, this face is already looking silly.
Yay!
Hooray! A huge smile, puffy cheeks, and two funny teeth appear. Our sponge friend looks like he just heard the funniest joke. Long eyelashes, bright pupils, and tiny freckles make the face extra lovable. Those sparkling eyes seem to say, "Let's keep drawing."
Yay!
Now a neat shirt and little tie appear under the smiling face. Our sponge friend looks fancy and ready for an adventure.
Yes!
A belt and square pants are added next. Piece by piece, the drawing becomes more complete, with more happy surprises still to come.
Okay.
Long arms stretch out with friendly waving hands. Wave back. It looks like our sponge friend is inviting everyone to join the fun.
Yay!
Skinny legs stretch down beneath the shorts. They look ready to run, skip, dance, and hop. Wiggle your feet too. Big shoes appear at the bottom. Now our friend can stomp, jump, and march proudly. Left, right, left, right.
Yay!
Tiny sponge holes appear across the body. Each little circle adds personality, making our cheerful sponge look wonderfully complete.
Wow!
Splash. Yellow fills the body, blue brightens the eyes, brown colors the pants, and the red tie shines happily.
Okay.
More colors fill the socks, shoes, and tiny details. Every bright splash makes the picture feel happier and more alive.
Yay!
The warm yellow body glows, and the smile, eyes, and freckles shine together. Our friendly character is ready to say hello.
Yay!
Look at the finished drawing. Simple shapes became a cheerful friend. Step by step, small lines turned into something amazing.
Okay.
Great job, little artist. Keep smiling, imagining, and drawing. Every masterpiece begins with one simple line. Happy drawing!